So how can you draw in the Freeform app on your iPad? Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, the Freeform app is freely available. You can use it for your planning or brainstorming ideas, but it's not necessarily made with the purpose of drawing, even though you can most definitely do it. So on the iPad, you get inside of the board, you can start a new one or proceed with an existing one. And in order to start drawing with your finger, just tap on the markup tool. And at the top, it's this pencil in a circle, and this enables the drawing capabilities, right? So you can change the pen style, size, opacity, and color, and you can draw whatever you want in here. So once you uncheck it, you can see that it kind of behaves like a separate object, which you can resize, rotate, and put anywhere else, because that's how it works within this app. Keep in mind, however, that if you use the Apple Pencil, you don't even have to enable the markup tool, because once you tap the screen with the pencil, you immediately go there and you can start drawing right away. So this saves you a little bit of time, but then it just means that with the pencil, you cannot do anything else other than drawing. So that's how it works. So yeah, hopefully I managed to explain it well. Let me know what you think about it and about the app below in the comments. For now, that's going to be about it. I hope I get to see you later in the next video. So that is if you subscribe, so do that, and I'll see you then.